Stock Market Explained for Absolute Beginners, Step by Step. Most beginners think the stock market is only for rich people or financial experts. In reality, it was designed so ordinary people can grow their money. In this video, I'll explain the stock market from absolute zero in simple English. By the end, you'll clearly understand what the stock market is, how it works, and how beginners participate in it. Why this topic matters. The stock market is one of the most popular parts of financial markets, but beginners lose money here mainly because they enter without understanding the basics. Once you understand how the stock market works, you avoid most beginner mistakes. Let's start with the basics. The stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. A share represents partial ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you become a small owner of that business. For example, if a company has 1 million shares and you own 1,000 shares, you own a small portion of that company. Companies list their shares on stock exchanges so they can raise money to grow their business. Stock markets exist all over the world. Pakistan Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Indian stock markets. Different countries, same system. People buy and sell shares through brokers using online platforms. Prices move based on company performance, news, supply and demand, overall market sentiment. When more people want to buy a stock, the price goes up. When more people want to sell, the price goes down. Common beginner mistakes. Most beginners make these mistakes. First, buying stocks based on tips. Second, expecting fast profits. Third, investing without understanding the company. The stock market rewards patience and knowledge, not shortcuts. As a beginner, your focus should be learning how companies work, understanding basic stock concepts, managing risk. You don't need to rush. Education comes before profit. Quick recap. So today, we learned what the stock market is, what shares represent, how stock prices move, why beginners lose money. In the next video, we'll clearly explain trading versus investing so you know which approach suits you. If you're serious about learning stock markets step by step, subscribe to the channel.